Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can delete your Postmates account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my phone. So the first thing that you need to do guys is search for a Postmates application. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it and then wait for the app to load. So once the application has loaded, you're gonna be right here in the homepage. So basically, guys, this page is made for ordering things. So if you want any item here, you can order it. You're gonna find some categories right here, and here in the bottom, you're gonna find all the sections. So you're gonna find home, browse, cards, and accounts. So go ahead and click on accounts. And once you click on accounts, you're going to find all of the options related to your account. So if you scroll down right here, you're going to find manage Uber account. Go ahead and click on it. And then once you click on manage Uber accounts, right here, you're going to find your account informations. So if you go back and go to privacy, we're gonna be right here in the privacy center. And as you can see guys here in account security, you're gonna find account deletion. So if you click on account deletion, right here, they're gonna ask you to add your phone number. And after adding your phone number, then you can go ahead and click on next and then follow the steps until you delete your account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.